This is example 3, check understanding 3 from page 28, and it is a real-world connection word problem. It says, a salesperson earns a salary of $700 per month plus 2% of the sales. What must the sales be if the person is to have a monthly income of at least $1,800? And this is a very practical problem. Many of you may end up working in sales and find yourself making this calculation for yourself every month. So we want to set up some kind of inequality that we can solve to figure out what our income needed or how much sales we need in order to make our monthly income or more. Right? If you make a salary, that means you're going to get that money no matter what, does not depend on anything. So 700 is the starting point every month. And then you're going to get 2% of your sales. Let's call sales can equal S as a variable. How do we calculate 2% of sales? Remember, to calculate a percentage of something, you multiply that number by the percent. But you have to multiply in the decimal form. So I need to add 0.02, which is 2% in decimal form, times S. Okay, that represents how much this person makes. And we know that has to be at least $1,800 or else they can't pay their bills. So the question is, how much does this have to be so that they're paying their bills? All right, let's solve this for S. Subtract from both sides 700. Now we've got 0.02 S is greater than or equal to 1,100. And we're still solving for the S. S is being multiplied by 0.02, so we divide by 0.02. If I do it to one side, I do it to the other. All right, the 0.02's cancel. S is greater than or equal to, and you could put this in your calculator if you need to. What is 1,100 divided by 0.02? 1,100 divided by 0.02 and is 55,000. So 55,000 may seem like a lot of sales. It just depends, I guess, on what you're selling. If you're selling houses, that's not very much. If you're selling cars, then that's a little bit more. If you're selling something that doesn't cost very much, that's a lot of sales. But if you make $55,000 a month in sales, you're making your $1,800 a month income that you say you need. Right, make sure you can follow the example above.